Yo, okay. This is gonna be YouTube video number 43. Let me double check. 43. The Last of Us Part 2. First of all, switching up the themes of the day, right? So, got the Jordan Space Jam going on. So right now we're in order of appearance: Taylor, Harry Potter, anime. I need some more Jordan shirts. I have one. Uh, it's not a Jordan shirt, but it says "It was all a dream," Barcelona '92, and I like that shirt a lot too. I need some more Jordan shirts. I do want. I don't really wear jerseys anymore. I haven't pulled this out in years. But I was looking for something to switch it up with. But yeah, I think his number 9 Dream Team jersey is an awesome find. I mean, I know I can find it somewhere, but just haven't pulled the trigger yet. Either blue or white, both awesome. It's like my favorite human of all time. Him and Taylor. Yes, I know he's a douchebag. He hates regular people. I'm not gonna explain the whole Chameleonaire story. If you guys remember, Chameleonaire was a rapper popular. I don't know, throughout the 2000s probably. From Texas, he was part of Swisha House, Paul Wall, that little Texas movement back in the day. He has a really funny story about when he met Jordan. Not funny, but Jordan is a douche. So if he's a douche to a super famous rapper, he never wants to meet regular people. So they say, don't meet your heroes. Never want to meet Jordan. My favorite human of all time. At least tied for my favorite human of all time. I would never want to meet that guy. If I saw him in the mall, I'd wait till he make eye contact. I'd nod to him respectfully and keep it moving. Too funny. If anyone watches New Girl, there's a scene when Nick, he's from Chicago, if you don't know New Girl, and somehow, I forget exactly how it happens, they're talking about basketball, and he says something about Michael Jordan, who taught me it was okay to love another man. It's really, really funny, how it comes up in the scene, but that's how I feel about that boy MJ. Okay, so in the game, I try to leave it in sleep mode as often as I can. And yesterday when I was done, or maybe I don't think I streamed yesterday, the day before, when I was done, I accidentally pressed the eject button. So it ejected the game. So it kind of didn't save exactly where I was. So luckily it saved after killing those fuckers over there. This part was kind of hard. Not that it was hard, but I was trying to redo it without using ammo. So I redid it a few times till I got them without ammo. Okay, so we're done in here. Jesse's waiting for me. What up, dude? Let's go. But yeah,
Go Team Jackson.
Fuck these motherfuckers.
Couldn't have said it better.
Yeah, literally right here is where I paused it though, so I wasn't far behind. Again, man, I don't want to be in this water.
This way.
Okay. After you.
Which way? What direction are we talking? Down there? I probably have to go under that log. Yeah. Man, I'm waiting for there to be like cordyceps of a different kind, like underwater, somehow amphibious cordyceps. I don't know. I feel like that hasn't happened in this game. Maybe it was explained at some time that it's only for humans. Like the fungus is only for humans, but I kind of expected that boar in the scene earlier to come with some cordyceps, or I don't know. Maybe that never happens. Oh man, this looks dark and foreboding. What's that, 4 and 5? I almost want to have the machete instead. Fuck it. Fuck it, I'll take the extra hit. Moving right along.
Think you can get through there?
Into the creepy ass empty warehouse, of course. It's a
I would
bookstore.
have come, you know, if you told me you were leaving.
I know, man. I fucking love you.
I didn't think you'd be okay with all this.
I looked up to Joel. What happened then was messed up. I would have come.
Joel liked you a lot too, you know. He used to think I had a crush on you.
Really?
More talking?
I mean, you're handsome and whatever, but I'm not into your type.
What? Asians?
Wieners.
Yeah, that's obviously what I meant.
She meant wieners. Let's go down. I wonder who's gonna play Jesse in season 2 of the show. He's a pretty big character now. Now that he's come along. I feel like some shit's about to go down. Let me look around for a second. Children's book section.
Pretty messed up. Putting fungus in the kids section.
Mushrooms didn't exactly carry the same meaning back then.
Yeah, I guess so.
True that. That's not what I meant to look at.
Did you have a favorite book as a kid?
Yeah, Battle Ghosts.
Damn.
It's about these space marines who fight off
Ghosts.
alien ghosts.
Sounds like something you'd like.
Can't make a spare. Silencer. A lot of talking.
Okay, what about you, smartass?
Well, my mom only had this one kid's book, The Root Child, about this boy who turns into a forest to save his village.
Okay.
To keep things fresh, though, my mom would improvise different endings. This one time, the boy just let the whole village die. It gave me nightmares.
That's dark. That's really sweet she did that.
Yeah, mom's a sweetheart. She's gonna go crazy when she hears about this baby.
She's alive?
I could see that.
Jesus. What happened up here? These guys really have it in for each other.
I think it goes back years.
Wonder how it all started.
Yeah, I need some more explanation on these.
Wow.
This place is fucked.
Blood's still wet. Let's get back to the street.
Yeah.
Wonder how long blood takes to dry. Like how recently were they here? But yeah, I need some more explanation of the scars at least. And he called them something else. I'm not gonna remember what he called them, but he called them a different name. I hate fighting those motherfuckers though. They only come out in the wilderness. You always gotta fight them in grass and shit. Shoot you with a bow and arrow out of nowhere. Frogs are thriving. Oh shit.
Got him! Sweep the area for survivors.
Nah, man, don't sweep the area. It's a fucking dog. Oh, I still haven't found the best way to take out a dog. I think it's the bow and arrow. Wonder if one shot from a silenced pistol kills him. I feel like I haven't got around to trying that.
Good job, boy.
Fuck.
Storm's pretty bad. I'm sure it ain't easy driving the boat back here. You'll get your chance.
They sound so much closer. They always sound so much closer. Shit. No, get down. Need to kill his dog. Shit.
Wipe him out!
See, Jesse actually shoots more often.
Yeah, I got it!
So try to wait for him to shoot and conserve my ammo. Take that little bit of health, that's fine. Actually, let me try to use this. Ooh, got a different kind of machete. Motherfucker! Shoot him. Thank you. I guess I could try to hit him with this. I got max ammo in this thing. I think one of them has another dog, unless Jesse killed it.
How'd they get away? Spread out, do a sweep. Don't let them escape.
Where are you? I do not see anything at all. Oh, I see him. Okay. He was hard to find, but I found him.
Report, anyone spot them yet? Damn it, people, the fuck did they go?
I think I dropped that guy. I think I got him. Where you going? Why are you moving from the spot, man? Alright, I guess. Oh, somebody's still talking.
Flush them out!
Jesse, where they at, man? I want to move, but I'm scared. Alright. Oh, here we go. Oh, straight ahead. I see him. Does he have a dog? Do you have a dog, man? No? Fuck. I stood up and, like, for some reason my brain wanted to press the shoot button right away. That was fucking so dumb. I did not mean to do it like that. It's real stupid.
Over there!
Where? I feel like this platform is at a really weird angle. I don't know how to get this guy right now.
Got them!
Is he shooting at me? Oh, let me get this.
We found him! Right there!
Just a little bit off. Ooh, that might have been it though. Oh, he's straight ahead too. I kind of forgot about this gun. Like I could have been doing kind of range battles like this more often. It's actually kind of fun. Dropping him with this though. Minus that one fucking random shit.
I think that was the last one.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes.
This
Give me
place makes
that,
appreciate
boy.
Jackson, man.
Fucking love picking up an arrow
Me
off
too.
the ground. They are too expensive to craft. Oh, there's always like a little side spot to come in. Fucking alcohol. I'm always so low on the alcohol. I freaking had a feeling there was gonna be health laying around here. Stupid. I mean, doesn't really matter. What the f- damn, that scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? Creeping ass mannequins. I want to get up on the other side and see what's popping over there, gear wise. I feel like my determination from the hours that I played this game so far is that it's not even worth it to go up to the dead bodies. Like, unless I just remember exactly where they're at, I could just walk right up to them. It's not really worth it. They don't often drop shit for me, which drove me crazy early in the game. But it is what it is. I know I said this in the last video, but I haven't found a workbench in a long time. Wonder if I can see how much. I don't know. I don't know if there's a spot in the menu to see how much like gear I have. I feel like I've never looked for that before, but it's not that important to look at. Jules. I guess I kind of forgot that you can read them like this too. I always try to read the, the text on the note. Okay, so the WLF broke the truce. Interesting. Ooh, 18. It's a nice grab. Just give me a workbench, man. Ain't no workbenches. Alright, I'm right at 20 minutes. Turn the video off. See what I'm gonna upgrade. That's useful, like for the situation I was just in. Been using this a lot too, though. Improved health kits, I mean, I'm 110 away from that though. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go with this. And then I think this will be my next aim. It's sounding like what it's gonna be. Just wanted to check this body real quick. Okay, 12. I think this is the second most ammo I've ever had for the handgun. Just want to make sure everything's loaded. Everything's loaded up. Okay. I'm not sure where I'm going. Probably that direction. It's looking like maybe that way. I don't really know, but I'm gonna pause this right now. Stop this recording. That was video number 23. I think I just almost heard a car accident outside. Okay.